conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. See, today we are going to discuss the continuation part of C programming. See, yesterday we started learning introduction of C and what is the syntax of a C and what are the softwares we are using for C programming. Okay, now we are going to discuss the next second chapter. This is called operator. Okay, see what is the definition of operator? Which is used to operate is called operator. Operator is nothing but which is used to operate. Okay, for example, I am taking A plus B. See, this is a plus is a called operator and A comma B are called operands. Okay, plus is a operator and A comma B are called operand. And here there are types of operators are available. See, first one is called arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, increment decrement operator and assignment operator and bitwise operator and conditional operator. See, there are different types of operators are available. One is arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, increment and decrement operator, and assignment operator, and bitwise operator, conditional operator. See, now first we'll start with assignment operator. See, you know already assignment operator is nothing but like a plus minus multiplication divide and this is the mod. Okay, for that just I'll write one small program. For that I am using developer C. Now file new source file. See what is the first line? Hash include stdio.h, and here next I am writing main method void main. Okay, after this here I am declaring a variable x is equal to 10. So yesterday I told this is a type of int and I can take comma y equal to 20 comma I am taking one variable called z. Okay, now here I am mentioning z equal to x plus y. This is a program I am doing for addition of two numbers using C program. Now I want to print this. To print anything we are using printf. Okay, now sum is here comma is a separator and here z, and whenever you are printing anything we should use a syntax for percentage d for integer. Okay, now I want to save this program. See, program name compulsory you need to save like properly. For example, this is for sum dot c. Okay, now source c type. Okay, now I'm running the code. See, here one error is there. See, if any error is there it will show like this. See, what is the error? Semicolon is missing. Okay, now save the code and go to run the code. Okay, now you can see sum is 30. Okay, this is the addition of two numbers. Here I want to do subtraction. For example, I am taking subtraction in s x minus y, and here I need to mention that z comma s. Okay, now I want a subtraction. Just copy it and just I am pasting. Just here I am writing p. See, here this is a sub. Okay, and now what is the variable declaration for s? S. Okay, now the save the program and I will write w equal to x into y. I want a multiplication and I want some e equal to x divided by y. Okay, now I want to print all of these values. Okay, now I am printing printf. This is a multiplication. uh, I have given multiplication formula x into y with w. Okay, now this is a division. Okay, now what is the division? I have given E. Okay, now I am changing the values. X is equal to 20 and y is equal to 10. And here I need to declare another variables w comma e. Okay, now yeah. Now if I need to save this, I'm saving of this arithmetic dot c. Okay, now with the c save, execute, run the code, see the result. Okay, it is there. Sum it is coming, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, now I'll copy this code and this mouse also I'll share it. This is the example for arithmetic operators. Okay, just when you are getting a time, just practice these programs. After this arithmetic operator, this is the relational operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This is the double equal and this is not equal to. Okay, next logical operator, double and this is the double R and this is a not. Okay, and relational operator and logical operator will discuss in the control statement. Okay, now we'll start with the increment and decrement operator. See, increment and decrement, there are two types of concept is there, you can see here. See, post increment and pre increment. One is a post increment, pre increment. This is come under the category of increment operator. Okay, in the increment operator it is coming post and pre. See, now post is nothing but x plus is a post increment and plus x is a pre-increment. Okay, this is a post increment and this is a pre-increment. See, post increment or pre-increment both are is equal to same but small changes. See, x plus is and plus x, it is nothing but x plus equal to x plus 1. But here what is the difference between these? Now we are going to learn. Now I am executing one program of post increment. Say file, new, source file. Just I am copy pasting the code instead of wasting the time, because of we need to cover so many concepts like this. And this is a one particular channel, you will get everything from C programming to data science level. Now I'm saving this on the desktop, increment dot c. Okay, now all file instead of all you can take C. Okay, now see, this is print of x. When I am taking x, x is equal to 10, I am getting. See here, x plus is nothing but it is increasing, but the value is not going to print this time. This time you will get only 10. And whenever you are calling a next time, it will take 11. Okay, now executing 10, 10, 11. You can see. First it is taking a 10, second it is taking x plus means 11, it is 10 only it is taking and it is taking x. This is a post increment. Okay, now pre increment, just I am taking here plus x. Now I am save as this file, save as in the desktop. This is the program for pre increment. I am saving with. Okay, now I am compiling, run the code. Okay, now it is getting 10, 11, 11. You understood? It is getting 10, 11, 11. See why this is for pre-increment. Okay, here pre-increment it is happening, and in the pre-increment it will add before itself. Okay, now it is taking x and it is adding pre, that means 11. After that it is printing 11. So simple, like we have a mobile connection, prepaid and postpaid. Prepaid means we should pay before, postpaid means bill will come but you need to pay later. Okay, this is the concept of pre-increment and post-increment. Okay, next decrement also the same. Okay, next after this the one more concept is there, uh, assignment operator. See, x is equal to 10, this is called assignment operator. C is equal to is nothing but assignment, x equal to 10. And when I am taking x plus is equal to means, see 10 I am writing, that means x equal to x plus 10. This is a shortcut operator, or we can call it come under the assignment operator. See, this is nothing but same. Instead of minus here, x minus is equal to 10. Then directly x equal to x minus 10. Okay, this is the assignment operator. And next operator, bitwise operator. See, bitwise operator, little bit confusion will come. Now I don't want to discuss that bitwise operator with C++, Java. I'll make one small video. With that you can able to understand. That's why just you need to follow our channel, and whatever the concepts I am explaining, everything I'll post with notes. Okay, then you no need to worry about the notes and see that simple code, and you can able to understand the concepts easily. Okay, next last operator is conditional operator. Okay, see, conditional operator is nothing but here question mark and colon. See, for example, this is your condition, and if this condition is true it will execute A. If a condition is false it will execute B. Okay, now we'll see one example. Next I'm going, save file, new source file, control V. I'm saving this in the desktop, conditional, see, save. Now I'm executing the code. You can run this program in Turbo C also or any compiler also. It is fine. The result is 10. See, now A equal to 10 I am taking and B equal to 20 I am taking. This is what my condition. A greater than B. See, A greater than B. This is condition is wrong. That's why it is executing B part. For example, I am taking A is equal to 100. Now I am saving this. Once again, I need to save. This is the problem with this software. It will not save properly. Every time I need to change the name. Okay, now run the code. Okay, result is 100. Okay, this is the example for conditional operator. Okay, now I think you understood. This is for condition, and this is for true part, and this is for false part. Okay, now okay, once again I'll revise this concept. See, what is the operator which is used to operate is called operator. There are two types of operators are there. One is arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, increment or decrement operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator, and conditional operator. Okay, now we are going to discuss one concept called how to read a value from the keyboard. Okay, how to read a value from the keyboard using the printf and the scanner. Okay, now this is the code. See how to read a value from the keyboard. Now you can see, next I'm taking a thing, file, new source file, paste it. See, this is for enter two values, percentage d two times I need to take because of I need to store two values, and x and y. Okay, now I'm saving this program in the desktop. someone, any name you can take it. Okay, save. Now I'm executing this, run the code. See, some error is there. Okay, one more, one, two, it's correct. ID return one not exist. See, this is a ConIO, it is not necessary. When you are using Turbo C, you should use it. Run the code. And CLR, SCR also, it will not allow here. That is only for Turbo C, that is for clearing the screen. Run the code. Okay, now you can see it is asking enter values, say 10 and 20 I am entering, it is printing 30. Okay, see now I want to change, I want to take addition of three numbers, just I am taking one more variable called W, and here I am adding percentage D, now comma and symbol of Z. Now here the formula is W equal to X plus Z. Okay, now sum I want W. For example, I want some multiplication X into Y into Z. Simple, just I am copying this, I am pasting this, and here multiplication. Okay, now this is I am taking M. Okay, now comma M. Okay, now I want to save as some dot C. Okay, now run the code. See, now enter two values because I have not changed there. There I should change 3. See, now sum is 60 and multiplication is 6000. Okay, here I need to change instead of 2, 3 values, and I want line by line I need to use slash n. This is the escape character. Okay, once again same as the desktop with the dot C. I need to save. Same. Now execute and run the code. And it is asking enter t values 10, 20, 30. See, sum is 60 and multiplication is 6000. Okay, this is the second chapter, okay, of operators. Only here I left the concept of bitwise operator. I need to explain very clearly because of except bitwise other operators are very easy. Now this time I don't want to make more complicated code. That's why I'm going like a easiest way to learn the concepts. Okay. If any doubts, you can chat or you can message to my WhatsApp number. Okay, and I'll share the notes. Okay, we'll continue in the next concept control statements.